Begin by finding a comfortable position, allowing your body to relax and your mind to become still. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with life-giving air. As you exhale slowly, feel any tension or worry leaving your body, dissolving into the ether. Let us now embark on a journey of imagination and reflection. Picture yourself standing in an open field on a cool October day. Above you, the sky is a vast expanse of blue, and you hear a distant sound, a harmonious choir of honks. As you look up, you see a V-shaped formation of geese flying southward. Observe their coordinated movement, their collective rhythm. Each bird is part of a larger whole, contributing to the group's progress. Reflect on this visual metaphor for teamwork and leadership and the power of collective movement. Imagine the leading goose bearing the brunt of the wind, yet moving forward with determination. This is an embodiment of leadership, taking on challenges head-on for the benefit of the group. And when the leader tires, another goose takes its place, a testament to shared responsibility and mutual support. Now, picture yourself as one of these geese, flying in harmony with the others. Feel the rush of the wind against your face, the freedom of soaring through the wide open sky. As you glide effortlessly, reflect on the power of collective effort and the progress it enables. Just as these geese rely on each other during their long journey, we too can draw strength from our communities and relationships. Let this reflection fill you with a sense of connectedness and unity. As the image of the flying geese remains in your mind, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any lingering tension. Allow the rhythm of your breath to match the rhythm of these geese's flight, steady, calm, and purposeful. Spend a few more moments in this peaceful state, soaking in the tranquility and unity that the flight of the geese represents. Let this feeling of peace and unity wash over you, leaving you feeling calm and relaxed. When you feel ready, slowly bring your attention back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feel the surface beneath you, and listen to any sounds around you. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes, returning from the meditation with a renewed sense of peace and unity. Remember the lessons of the geese as you go about your day. Embrace the power of collective movement and carry this sense of unity with you in all that you do.